Welcome back to the channel. Today is finally the day that we are painting the chassis of my Honda. I'm sorry for the delay in videos. We have had some stuff come up where we haven't been able to work, but also I've shown you guys all of the stuff sanding and all that boring stuff. But today, this car is fully prepped out. We just went through and wax and grease removed everything. Right now we're about to mix up our sealer. We're gonna hit everything with sealer. And today we will have a fully painted chassis. And words cannot describe, well, one, how anxious, but also how excited I am to finally, after I don't even know how many hours now, have this car painted. I know Val is beyond excited as well. He wants to get back to his projects, but this car today will be one solid color. Well, there we go. Step one is now complete. This car is now fully in a sealer. Looks so good. I feel like white would have been a fantastic choice. It wouldn't have looked like this exactly, but it doesn't look bad. So step one is now finished up. It is now time to start mixing our base coat. And here we go.
You hear that?
I hear it, yeah.
What's going on?
It's not a good sign, guys.
Not at all.
Is it only doing that wide open? It's spraying so inconsistent.
Exactly.
It's like stopping, going, stopping, going. You can obviously see it here, what's happening. We found our pressure inconsistency. The nozzle was a little loose, so it's creating positive vacuum, negative vacuum. Just tighten that back up. We should be good to go. Much better.
Look, barely ain't no overspray.
Yeah.
Let me finish the quarter panel.
Well, there we...
I'll let you paint the door. I think it's dialed in.
Okay. Well, there we go. Got the gun dialed in mid-spray, you know. Nothing too crazy. But yeah, it was there was a lot of clouds that were left obviously with the uneven spray pattern, but Val went through again and it covered all of that clouds up, and this gun is pretty dialed in. It's a very low pressure gun, which is nice. There's no overspray, which is pretty nice.
It's gonna be a lot nicer with the clear coat because it's gonna be...
Oh, I didn't even think about that. All right, he's finishing up the quarter panel right now and then handing the gun over to me so I can do a pass on this as well. Very nervous, but I think it should go pretty good.
Professional doing it. Let's go. There you go. Don't spend too much time on one step. Okay, that's it. There you go. Yep. Yeah, go faster, why you stop? Edges. Man, Remmy, there's a huge difference between guns.
Yeah.
This gun works like a charm. I mean, you have to get used to
It's really weird spraying with this gun, but I can see how nice it is. I'm really happy that we were able to figure out the gun issue. It is completely different than the 3M gun that I have been using, so it's gonna take some getting used to, but I mean, it looks so good. I'm going through the entire car with this tack and cloth. Val is wet sanding all of the little nubs. There isn't that many, surprisingly enough, to try to get a perfect finish because the next coat is going to be our last and final coat of base, and then we're gonna hit this thing with clear. But this is why it's important to go through with this towel, as this is all of the overspray that was on all of the panels that we are spraying. So removing all of that is gonna make it a perfect finish. Guys, we are on our third and final coat of clear coat. He has the gun loaded up. This is coming out absolutely amazing. I cannot wait until we are able to pull off all of the plastic to really see how this car looks. I'm ecstatic, but let's get right into it. Let's go. We now have a fully painted chassis. I know Val is happy. We only have a few more hours, another day, because we have to do the bumpers and fenders and the miscellaneous like hinges tomorrow. But from a chassis perspective, this thing is fully sprayed out. We have the heater on blasting so we can bake this, and then we can go ahead unmask this and show you guys what this car looks like.
Watch out, some of it's still fresh, see?
Well guys, it is now the next day. We have let this car sit. It was actually 2 days. Doors look fantastic. The whole chassis looks great. Today's game plan is to get the fenders, hinges, bumpers knocked out. The valve, guess what I brought today? Do you have any guesses? I brought a paint suit. Last time when we were painting the chassis, I was not thinking that I needed a paint suit. Val showed up in a paint suit and he didn't want me contaminating, so he kind of pushed me away here. So today I brought my own paint suit. It's very garbage, but at least it's better than what I'm wearing with hair and stuff that attracts. But I think the game plan, we need to get this car pushed out so we can put all of the other accessories in this bay. This looks so damn good. This is my first time seeing this car outside. Man, am I excited. This thing looks so good. Camera does not do this thing justice. Especially with the Raptor liner wheel wells, this car is going to look insane.
Yeah.
Oh, this is gorgeous.
And also, no clouds, that's nice.
No.
I wonder how the roof looks.
Oh yeah. Roof look good?
Yeah.
Oh, this is so cool, guys. First time we have a painted chassis outside here. I am so speechless and so excited that, one, I've done something I never thought I would have done. I mean, I am restoring an entire chassis, paint work. I mean, I could not do any of this without Val. He has been such a huge help in getting this build where it is today. Unfortunately, we aren't quite done yet. The chassis is done, but right now we are getting ready to spray out the last bits and pieces. We have the front and rear bumper. We have the 2 fenders we need to do, and then we're bringing this car back to my shop, get it unloaded, and start the fun process of assembling this car and building it so we can start seeing this thing on the street as soon as possible. All right, guys, here we go. We have the base coat all loaded up and mixed. It is now time. We just went through and sealed all of these components. I did not film any of that, I don't think, for you guys, but Val handed me the gun to paint all of this.
Go around and then finish the on that because it's gonna That's it. Awesome. See? No clouds.
Okay.
Everything looks good. I saw a cloud? No. On this area?
Yeah, right there.
It's okay, I'll let it dry.
Okay. Can I hit the gas cap now?
Yes.
Guys, it is yet again the next day, but we officially have every part of this car painted, and today we're loading it up. We're getting out of Val's hair, and we're bringing all of this back to my shop. I could not be more excited, and I could not thank Val enough for the countless hours he spent with me. Not only was he just teaching me painting, but every single hour I was working 12-hour days, he was working too. He was sanding, he was doing everything. He worked just as much as I did this month, and I cannot thank him enough. Plus, the stuff he's taught me is priceless in my opinion. I'm so speechless. I'm so beyond excited. It feels like we're done with this build, but we are quite literally only getting started. I don't even know how many hundreds of hours are in already, and we're like 10% of the way there. But it's going to be a fun journey, and I know Val's excited to see the end result.
Just when you come to my shop, garage shop, and you're living now, 2 people put 110 hours plus.
Yeah.
That's
just this
220.
Yeah.
Between 2 of us.
Yeah.
That's how much literally takes to prep and paint the car.
Yeah, just from the part of me being here, to over 200 man hours into this, which is absolutely insane.
Yeah.
Painting is not as quick and easy as a lot of you guys may think. I thought it was gonna be a lot easier going into this.
It's not cheap.
And it's not cheap. It is not cheap at all. I'm excited I'm keeping receipts and stuff of every purchase I've done on this build. So it'll be really interesting. It'll pain me to know how much money was spent on this, but there's well over 3 grand. Like over like 5 grand probably just into this paint job. And then plus I obviously had to pay the man for his time and knowledge and expertise. I was not gonna let a friend not charge. So he has to be fairly compensated. So that has to be accounted for as well. That's not cheap, but neither is neither is body work, guys. Yeah, so let's go ahead and start loading all of this up. Well guys, and just like that, we are now moving out of Val's shop. We've been here for 1 month, but we got what we came here for. The car is all painted. Everything is loaded back up in this trailer. It is now time to say goodbye. Thank you again.
You're most definitely welcome.
He needs to get a ride when this car is done. I don't think he's ready. I don't think he's ready for this. Also, one more thing. I'm wearing a new hoodie. It is No Limit with the Honda build. It has taken me a very long time. If you guys have been here for a while, you guys recall last year I did a car giveaway. I actually gave away one of my 07 STIs, no longer mine. But during that process, I wanted to come up with a name and brand for what I do. And during the time, it was very rushed because I already paid lawyers. I had to start the deadline or the giveaway at a certain date. So all of that was really rushed, and I never got to choose a name that really fit. And it finally clicked to me. No Limit is what the brand is going to be moving forward. I love how it means go to your limit and keep going, and that is why I have the Honda on the back of this design, as this is my no limit build, and I want you guys as well. Trust me, I am in the same position as most of you guys. I don't know what I'm doing, but I just do it. Go to your limit and keep going forward. So I think that's going to be kind of the new name and motto for the channel moving forward.